Hey everybody, Ray here. Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. You know, this COVID-19 stuff is getting pretty serious, and I just wanted to show you there are some easy things you could do with liquors you have around the house, because we can't all go anywhere. I mean, I ain't going to the store. I mean, I'm having the stuff delivered. I'm not going anywhere, but you're probably the same way. So I want to show you a Dark and Stormy tonight. I know that I've done one before, but I want to make one with a little bit of a twist to it. And I want to show you also, you can tweak it a bit. I mean, this is a trademark drink. I mean, Goslings has trademarked the name, not the recipe, okay? They trademarked the name. So, I want to show you, I'm going to use Goslings. I'll use Goslings ginger too. So I'm busting on my doors. But if you're gonna use your Captain Morgan, if you're gonna use something or other, if you're gonna use another rum, that's up to you. Okay, I'm not telling you to. So, anyways, all we want to do is a Dark and Stormy is so easy. Okay, they're easy and they're good. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make one. It's just Gosling's Dark Seal rum, a little bit of lime, and some ginger beer. Duh. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get a glass of my chiller. It's Captain Morgan glass, don't tell anybody. But it's got a pirate on there, so I thought it's cool. First thing I want to do, actually, is I want to pour the ginger beer in there. About 3 or 4 ounces. It's all glass, man. Okay. Actually, I forgot to put the ice in. Let's put some ice in there, right? Okay. This stuff is getting really serious. I mean, people dying left and right. I mean, this is getting bad. So hopefully it'll go down a little bit and we'll be able to put the rum in there. You know what? Let's go like this. I'm actually going to put an ice ball at the top so I can pour the rum off the top. Okay, so get you an ounce and a half of Gosling's Dark Seal rum. This is the drink of Bermuda. Rum is from Bermuda. Thanks, Ray. Pour it in slowly. Pour it in the ice ball. So it kind of looks like a dark and stormy night. There you get it. And then we're just going to tuck some lime wedges in the side. That's too full, Ray. You're going to have to suck up the thing. Oh, wow, it's almost all rum. Okay. So, like I said, you're gonna have to use whatever you got around the house. You're gonna have to go through your bottles. I can hold off for quite a long time, but this is getting way too serious. I mean, I lost my day job due to the corona slowdown, so you're going to be seeing more videos of me. I'm going to try to think of easy things you can make at your house, okay? And we'll get through this, man. I mean, keep those loved ones. I mean, I don't want to say keep them closely because you want to try to distance yourself, but you know what? I was going to make this a Dark and Stormy with a Jamaican touch. And the Jamaican touch, I'm just going to put some Jamaican rum on top, okay? I mean, I know Gosling Dark Seal is from Bermuda, but I was just going to put a little bit of Jamaican rum on top. So I was going to put like a half of Jamaican rum. my Karuba. Pour on top of rice bowl. No. Okay. So I would like you to subscribe and comment, but I really want you to get back to me. Just, yeah, comment and just tell me. I mean, what's some simple things I can do for you? What's some ways that I can improve upon this? I mean, I really want to get better, and I really want to keep you busy if you're sheltering at home. So we'll get through this, man. Oh, no, much better. Just remember, at the end of the day, my friends, you know the rest. It's all about the cocktail. I'll see you just in time for the next round. I'll see you later.